Do you want to know how to create publication-ready figures with Matplotlib and Seaborn? You came to the right place. Creating professional publication-ready figures is crucial for scientific research. In this video, I'll show you how to style your plots with Matplotlib and Seaborn to make them clear, visually appealing, and ready for journals. Let's get started. A well-styled figure enhances clarity, makes complex data easier to interpret, and increases the impact of your research. The key elements for publication-ready figures are readable fonts, proper labels and legends, high-resolution output, and consistent color scheme. First, make sure you have Matplotlib and Seaborn installed. You can install them using pip. Once you have them installed, let's import the libraries as well as load our dataset. Don't forget R before the path for the file. Now let's inspect our data with the head function to make sure that everything is as it's supposed to be. Let's now make a beautiful histogram of the measurement column. Let's set up with 300 dpi, which is usually the minimum required by the journals. Set up the figure size, the colors, the number of pins, the font size, the X and Y labels, the graph title, set up a grid, and style. And finally, let's show the plot. Seaborn makes it easy to style plots with modern color palettes and clean aesthetics. Let's now try to do a box plot using Seaborn. Here, we'll plot condition and measurement with a modern palette style and also set up the X and Y labels like before, title, and inspect the plot. Another beautiful graph ready for publication. Don't forget once again to set up the DPI to 300 as a minimum. Now let's try to do the exact same box plot but with a different color palette and learn how to export the file or save it in this case. You just have to add the plt.savefigure and name the figure. And that's it. Now you know how to create publication-ready figures using Matplotlib and Seaborn. If this was helpful, like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments how you style your figures. See you on the next video.